Hello and welcome to Humanchain. We are about trust and transparency in giving. And this is the first humanitarian blockchain that connects donors to their intended causes. So how does it work? Well, let's look at the current donor ecosystem that we're all familiar with. We have donors, good people that want to help causes that they care about. And they will do so with the help of charities and aid organizations who have the expertise and facilities and resources to do what it is we want them to do. So we make donations to them. They will use those donations to implement projects and ultimately invest in the causes. So that's good. Except that, do we really know what happened with our money? Was it well spent? Was it efficiently used? Were the projects well managed? And perhaps most importantly, did the project actually meet its objective? Did we improve our cause? We can't really know these days. We have to rely on the fact that charities and aid organizations will do a good job. And we may not necessarily believe that. We may not have the trust. If we don't have the trust, we may not give more donations to these causes, which is a shame. So how does it work with humanchain? Well, we still have donors. We still have charities and aid organizations because they're the experts. And we have the causes that we care about. But instead of giving money directly to the charities and aid organizations, we will create and sign what's called a smart contract on the blockchain. Now, what is that? Well, a smart contract is a contract between these parties, and it stipulates very precisely under what conditions our donations may be used for the projects. Perhaps we will require certain reporting, or perhaps we only want to spend the money in stages, depending on the progress of the project. We could even involve ultimately the people that are going to benefit and get them to validate that the projects have been executed correctly. And based on all of that, the smart contract will be executed and release funds. So, first thing we do is we make our donations to the smart contract. Then the charities and aid organizations will manage projects to improve the cause and report to us. If the reporting meets the requirements of the contract, funds will be released to the charities and aid organizations and to the cause. Now everybody is happy. The donors are happy because they have complete transparency. They know exactly what's happened with their money. And what's more, they knew upfront through a smart contract how the money would be used and that it would be successful. Because if it wasn't, the money wouldn't be released. The aid organizations and charities, they're happy because they have access to funds that are blocked on smart contracts. They know they're going to get the money. All they have to do is manage the projects correctly, which is what they want to do anyway. And of course, the causes are happy, the people that benefit. Because if donors and charities can work together in a transparent and trustful way, chances are more projects will be implemented. So we're all better off. And that is what humanchain is all about. Why don't you join us on humanchain.org and participate in this important project? Let's do this together. Thank you so much.